Hello guys. Configuring the WAN interface in pfSense firewall is a crucial step in setting up a secure and functional firewall and router. In this video, we are going to step-by-step guide to configure the WAN interface in pfSense firewall. Open a web browser and enter the default IP address of pfSense LAN interface. Log in pfSense using default credentials. Click on Sign In button. It is highly recommended to change the default password for security purposes. Click on Change the password in the User Manager. Go to Interfaces and select WAN. Enable the interface. Set the description to a meaningful name like WAN. In the IPv4 configuration type, select Static IPv4. Enter your Internet WAN IP address. Enter your subnet mask size. In the IPv4 upstream gateway, click on the Add a new gateway. Enter your gateway IP address. Click on Add button. Click on Save button. Click on Apply changes. Finally, the change have been applied successfully. Verify your WAN connection is working correctly by browsing the web or pinging external servers. If you encounter issues, review your settings and contact your ISP if needed.